Don't be scared to get to the money at all times. I went to sleep 3 a.m. I was back up at 6:30. Excited. No excuses. Ah, my bad. Yo, shut the fuck up and let's get to the money, man.
Listen, man, I got a big announcement, you heard. If this is your very first time trading live with us, or this is your very first live trading session, I have a big announcement, you heard. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Hey, man, let's get it, man. Let's get straight into it, man. We're not going to let another second go by, you heard. Oh yeah, my bad, man. Rodney with the news, man. What we got? We got 830 orange folder, 3 yellows at PFOMC. P. So three yellows at 9, you mean? Oh, 3 yellows. What? So 830 orange. Oh, and an orange and 3. Bro, what, Rodney? God damn, Ronnie. 830 orange folder and orange and bro, Rodney. Hey man, listen, bro. Come on, man.
I'm trying to be cool, but goddamn.
Rodney, type that shit up right, man. 830 orange and 3 yellows at FOMC. Come on, man. You know that don't make no sense. Make it clear, Rodney. Make it clear for me, man. Make it clear. Just proofread it before you send it, my boy. Appreciate it, man. And please clear it up, because I still don't get you. I get 8:30 at Orange. Orange at 8:30. Now, what's 3 yellows? When is the 3 yellows FOMC? That's at 9? Or they're all at 8:30? Let me know, Rodney. Rodney must have went back to sleep, man. Three yellows at 9. 8:30 orange folder. Hey, Rodney, go ahead and ban yourself, man, for about 3 days, bro. Add 2. We'll see you next week, Rodney. At the end of next week. Yeah, man, nobody's safe in this bitch, man. Nobody will be spared, bro. What Thug say? Right is right and wrong is wrong. Wrong is wrong and right is right. Shit. That better not be the VIP chat, man. I just know that's not in the VIP chat. No, that boy Rody Crew. No, everybody getting funded, man. Let's go, bro. That's the past combine. Stop playing with them boy. Them folk eating. Hey, they talking about. That's what I'm talking about, my boy. This shit, my boy. Everybody getting funded, boy. It's been a lot of past combines. Y'all know what the next step is, right? Them payout. Girl almost had the Hennessy just then. Girl, they got the Hennessy. Boy said he buying 5 new accounts right now as we speak. I think we're about to go up, brother. If we took a buy right now, the invalidation of this long would be right here. And I would try to target up here at the blue line. Possibly trail it. 580 risk. If we go low risk at 290, we'll make 650 at the highs. 450 here. I think I'll get in low risk. Alright, so I got in one Coney long. I'm only risking like 300 on this trade. So if I'm buying one, I need to be selling one down here. So this is how you add your manual take profit and stop losses class. If I just manually got in a buy by clicking the buy button, I don't have a target and a stop loss. So I have to add it. So let's do it again. If I'm in a buy manually, I need to get out of a sell. I need to get out of my buy with a sell. So if I'm buying one, you come over here, click the plus sign to the price you want it. So if I'm buying one, I need to be selling one. Boom. Now above price, if I'm buying it, I need a sell to get out. So if I'm buying one, I need to come over to the price I want it, and I need to click sell. Sell limit. Now I just manually entered my take profit and my stop loss. Manually. Low risk. Low risk. Why? Because we could be coming out of this 5-minute order block, but I don't think, bro. After coming off this BAP, which is a break and retest, and coming off of this 1-minute order block, I think we'll at least first step hit this golden zone. And if I'm completely wrong and we come out of this 5-minute order block, I only lose $300. But if we're right, we make like 600 on the flip side. So it's like a 1 to 2. Price could do something right here at this level. So let's just see, you know. We're back into this 1-minute order block right now. Looking like we're about to hit stop. Because we're coming out of this 5-minute order block right here. But it didn't really break structure though. Alright, stop is about to get hit possibly. This golden zone right here could save us. And then pop up. Yeah, stop hit. 360 on that guy. Alright, let's just watch it. If a trade is iffy, either don't take it or you go low risk. Right? So if you lose, you're not like ripping your account. You're not like ripping your account, dude. You feel me, dude? Well, it was iffy because I'm buying a 5-minute order block. At this level, I was buying a 5-minute order block But I was also buying a 1 minute order block. You get what I'm saying? So I was predicting this push up will go higher to eventually violate this order block and hit my blue level with a tight stop right under this order block. Maybe if I had my stop under here, I might be safe, but I wasn't. I was trading this order block, so if it was going to respect this order block, my stop needs to be under this order block. You dig? Squid. So I think price will break through this golden zone. Probably go to the next level right here. So the next 5 minute order block is right here. New breaker structure is now right here. New 1 minute order block is up here. Price could just push through super fast and strong and hit this golden zone level right here. But ultimately, price is coming down to this blue line right here. So it could do a pretty quick pullback to right here. And then continue lower. Let's see what you need the candle to close though. You want it to close outside. Then you get a nice quick green candle. Just like that. See if we can go all the way to the blue. I'll do 2 contracts risking 400. Let's do it. So let's see if we can ride this wave if it want to continue down. Quick pullback to this most recent 1 minute order block. I'd rather it pull back now before we go down to this golden zone. And then my target is this blue line here at 50.2s. Let's see if we can get activated. All right, we're activated. Let's go. So we're risking 400 on this trade. Let's see if we can get a strong push down to our target at this blue line at the 50.2s. At the golden zone, shit could get shaky right here. So we'll put an alert there. News is in 5 minutes. Oh, now you're back, Rodney. Where the hell were you, Rodney? Where the hell was you, buddy? Yo, ask Rodney where the hell was he at? Alright. We get down to this bottom golden zone, I'll go to break even. So the next alert, I'll go to break even. What are you smoking on this morning, homie? Nah, Rodney. The whole chat know you wasn't here right after the news, bruh. The whole chat knows, bruh, because I was asking you questions and you didn't reply. Meaning, your ass was not here. All right, second alert, I'm going to BE. Nah, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to close one. So if I'm buying two, if I'm selling two, when we get back down here, I might just hold this bitch on. I might just hold this bitch. Yeah, you didn't hear me because you wasn't in here, Rodney. No, I'm just kidding, bro. Whatever, it's cool. Damn, break even gonna hurt. Bro. Break even gonna hurt. I couldn't even move fast enough, bro. You gotta be quicker than that, Bruce. Bruce.
Gotta be quicker than that, buddy.
That's how I know you wasn't here, Rodney. Damn, bro. Break even been killing me lately, bro. I mean, that's better than taking losses, but fuck. We're in this 5-minute order block. What's that, 8:30? Alright, cool. Good thing. Good shit. Good shit. Because I wanted to sell it again with like a stop loss right above. Good thing I didn't. I would have lost. And good thing I didn't hold to original stop like I wanted to, because I would have lost. So, gotta get out of these golden zone, Bruce. But that's coolio. That's cool, man. Damn, that shit never activated, y'all. That's tragic. You gotta have, bro, listen, y'all probably put that shit right at the tip. Like, bro, you gotta have it a tick or two before that bitch for that exact reason. Got it? Because I used to get no tick too. So let's see what happens at this 5-minute order block. But it's coming from this 5 minutes, so I think it might just blow through. Blow through. Oh yeah, there's 1 minute order block up there. So 1 minute order block inside of the 5-minute order block is rejecting. Price closed above this golden zone, now pulling back to it. So I feel like if we go back up here, we should blow through this golden zone, bro. And if that were to happen, how much would I be risking? We'll target like 400. It might blow through, honestly. So I would still target this blue line. And my stop would be like 400. Because if it pops up, it has no business coming back down here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wow, I just got a shitty fucking entry. I'm in 2 longs. I gotta be quick. Shitty entry. I wanted to break of this level. So now I'm risking way more. So if I'm buying 2, I need to be selling 2 up here. And if I'm buying 2, my stop has to be right here. So if I'm buying 2, I gotta sell 2 right here at this golden zone. I'm getting out at the golden zone if it pushes back down. Shitty entry, shitty entry. If I would have just waited 30 seconds, it's right back at entry. Short position, long position. Let's see if we get this push up though. So it's like a 1 to 1.3. Let's see. Shitty entries, bro. That was a shitty entry. But we just crossed over this order block. So now we got high probability of it pushing higher and violating this one. This will be the high of the day. And then the target will be like 980. So we're up into this 1 minute block now. I'm keeping original risk. This is gone. Let's get rid of this for visuals. Let's see if we can blow through this order block. 42.55. Fuck you, Nolan. I'm just kidding. Good shit, bro. Good work, Nolan. Good work, Nolan. Good work, Nolan. Let's see if we can get a complete push through this order block right here. Next step will be the high of the day, and then the full target at like, let's see if we can get that guy. Full target hit, baby, 760. That's how you do it. 760. That's it. That's how you do it. Straight to my blue line, bro. Out of what? This 5-minute order block down here. That's how you do it, man. That's W760. Kendra got the exact same entry as me. That's crazy. So yeah, I really wanted to break out of this level, because if it's gonna reject out of this 1-minute order block and then the golden zone, like fuck the order block, golden zone breakout, pull back to the zone, anticipating a push up higher in trend direction. That's exactly what you want right there. So listen, man, if you want to trade live with us, join up at tradewithbruce.com. It's only $150 a month. Let's get it, you heard?
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
Alright, so listen. So the first trade I lost 360. The second trade was plus 600. Didn't close it. I was trying to get in to make. I was trying to get out of one contract to make it break even on the day. So everybody, WPNL in the Discord, please, right now. That's all I ask. WPNL, your net PNL Discord in the Discord. Live trading profits at the bottom. If you're new here, every day when we cash out, you put your W and then how much you made PNL in the Discord. You can screenshot your PNL. You can screenshot your entry. You can screenshot your chart. Whatever. If you didn't take the trade and you're on session, say W session. I didn't take the trade, but Bruce is the GOAT. Whatever. Say some shit. Got it? That's all I ask y'all. So that's it, man. So the first trade was negative 360. Then the second trade was like 650, but I didn't close it. I went to break even. I was trying to get out of one contract, so it would have made me break even on the day. And then I go to break even, so I would be at break even on the day, and then I would have ate this whole 760 net today. Or I could have just closed 600 and made me plus 300 on the day, and then plus 300 plus 760 would make it 1,000 on the day. Do y'all understand? Trade management will make you a lot more money, or trade management can fuck up your account. You get what I'm saying? And also entries. Entries is super important. Y'all see I literally got slipped $200 and something. No, I didn't get slipped. I got left for $260, $220. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. So I really wanted to break out of this level. But while I'm sitting here talking about it, that shit popped up. Then I got in here, gave me a little bit of drawdown, and then shit popped up higher. So remember, we put in manual buys, manual targets, manual stops. So when we get out of take profit, bink, you need to close your stop loss. Got it? Because if you're still in, it's about to fucking activate. So always close your manual limits, your manual orders. Bro, and do y'all see these levels that I mark off every day, bro? This shit is not random, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Oh my God, look at this bitch tank. Yo, what is going on? What the fuck? I'm so glad I didn't get back in. I would have been sick. Yeah, why would you fucking get back in, dude? Come on, bro. That's rookie shit. You was doing that when you know what I'm saying? You was doing that months ago, bro. Let's not do that dumb shit no more. Come on. You shouldn't even be thinking about getting in. Come on, bro. Lock in, fam. Lock in, family. So yeah, man, beautiful day. Could have been a little better, but hey, still a W day, bro. Devil on my shoulder. You better knock that motherfucker off your shoulder, bro. So yeah, straight to the blue line and straight reject off. Shit's not random, guys. Shit is not random. Let me see the next level. Next level, like 40.2. Put a line at 40.2 right there. Damn, that's the wrong thing, but 40.2 right there. So yeah, man.
And they got the Hennessy! Fuck! They got the Hennessy!
Run it back, run it back.
And they got the Hennessy! Fuck! They got the Hennessy!
I timed it wrong. But yeah, man. Hey, man. So listen, broski. This shit's doing whatever the fuck it wants to do right now. We are net on the day. We could have been super netter. We could have been super netter. You know what I'm saying? So listen, bro. I'm going to wrap this shit up, bro. We're not sitting here trying to play with this shit, especially after all this whipsaw. But if we had to guess, I mean, it's a 5-minute order block down here. Shit like that. Destroyer of Worlds candles. Bro, if you don't shut your World of Warcraft head out, boy, stupid ass, boy. My fault for passing last trade. L50 for the day. Yeah, Chuck. Lock in, man. Lock in, man. Oh, bro, listen. Alright, listen. Here's a lesson that I even had to learn, bro. You can't let your last trade dictate your next trade. I don't know if I said that right. I kind of just made that up, but you get what I'm saying. If you take a L, because I've done this before, you take a dumbass L that you probably shouldn't have been taking, then you take an emotional second L that you probably shouldn't have been taking. So you probably go buy, you're wrong, and then you go sell, and then you're wrong, right? And then you see another buy setup in your original direction, but you don't want to take it because you're scared it's just going to shoot down. And then that trade actually goes a million pips or a million ticks, right? In your desired first original direction. Don't let a loss stop you from taking the next setup. It's just risk management, bro. If I would have lost this trade, first trade was negative 360. Second trade went to break even. So if I would have lost this third trade, I would have been at around, I would have lost, instead of 4, I would have lost like 600. So I would have been down like 960, right? And that's fine, because guess what? The next trade, that same trade, I was risking 400 to make 9 something. You get what I'm saying? It's all risk to reward. Now, if I would have lost that next trade, I would have been down 900 plus 400, and that would have put me at 1,300 on the day, and I would have called it quits. Because either this shit is whipsaw as fuck, or I'm not emotionally in the right mind state to be continue trading and risking my money. You get what I'm saying? So I usually take 3 trades max. If the first one is an L, of course I'm taking the second one to try to recover. On that second trade, it's imperative that I either get out at break even or I double my loss. So my first trade was negative 360. My second trade was plus 600. So why didn't I close that? That's kind of my rules. So little shit like that. We have to stick to our rules and not get married to a certain level or a desired P&L. If you lose 500 and you're floating 500, why not just get out and make it break even, reassess, and start with a brand new mindset, clean slate on the new day? Got it? Or put your shit at break even or secure profits so it'll take off half of your loss at 250, and then you let the rest of that one contract run up to your desired take profit. So instead of making 1,000 with more risk, you would have cut your risk in half, and then that 250 would have flipped over to 500 and made you 500 subtract your 250 net after closing half your position, and you would have made $250 net. You get what I'm saying? Y'all, trade management is super important. Got it. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I've been there, done that. Working on mindset every day. Follow your trading plan and stay disciplined. That definitely makes sense. Yes, sir. Last trade dictate next trade. Don't let your next trade dictate your last trade. Shut up, bro. W session, no trades today. Let's go, Scooter. Scooter, this is your first session, right, man?
Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party.
Wild price action right after the W. But guess what, bro? It's not too wild, though, because that's what happens at these levels, bro. When I mark these blue levels, bro, that's where the money at. Got it? That's where the money at. And this 5-minute order block came out. Right? So from here, so from right here and up, 5-minute order block. And then where did it stop at current price? It stopped here. So on the iffy little up and down range whipsaw shit, you just got to know where to exit. If you know where to exit, boom, go ahead and get out here because this shit could bounce. And guess what? It probably will finish up. I don't know. I'm not trying to guess it either. So we're net on the day. Let me see my P&L real quick. So yeah, I finished at 420. 420. So in honor of 420, man, go light up a spliff. Go light up a spliff. Go hit y'all walk. I'm definitely working. Likewise for wins. Yes, sir. W600, W450. Say less. You know we don't miss. Have a great day, y'all. So yeah, plain and simple. Everybody go put your WP&L in the Discord. So Derek, Mayhoot, sorry if I said it wrong, W600, go put those in the Discord. WP&L in the Discord. Live trading profits at the bottom. Go pop your shit. Let's wrap it up. That was 3 trades today. 2 W's, 1 break even. No, I'm sorry. 1 L, 1 break even, 1 W bigger than both of them shits. Plain and simple. But I should have definitely closed that second trade. That's me. I'll get better. But the fact that I went to break even was good because the old Bruce would have let that shit go to original stop. Then I would have been down 700, and then that 700 would have made me break even on the day. Boring! Got it? So let's fucking wrap it up, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's do it, bro.
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss.
8:47, bro. We're done at 8:47. We was technically done about 10 minutes ago. So 8:30, 30-minute work day. It don't get better than that, bro. Listen, it's not about staying here all day to try to make more money, bro. You get what I'm saying? We took 3 trades. Whatever you get off of 3 trades, bro, that's your take home. Like, you shouldn't be sitting here trying to make more money. Now, if I would have lost in 3 trades, I'm done. Super done. But you got to control those losses. So 3 L's of 400 would have only been like a 1,200 negative day. We made 1,200 yesterday. Shit, we're up 3K the last 3 or 4 days. So just shit like that. Now that we done made 400, now we're up like 3,900 in the last 3 or 4 days. Trading your style, is 50,000 prop the ideal one? Yeah. Yeah, it's possible. Because I'm not risking more than 2,000 in a day. I mean, it's possible, but I'm trying not to. So it's honestly, bro, it's best to really have like 100K and up. But a 50K is good because you don't have to do my exact risk. So if I'm risking 400, you can cut that shit to 200. And then you would have made like 200 net today. Just shit like that on a small day. But sometimes when I come in and risk 400 and then we flip over to make 1,000, shit like that, you know what I'm saying? Or I risk 400 and flip over and make 6. You need to close at 6 because on a combine for 50K, all you need is $600 a day 5 times. $600 a day for 5 days will pass your combine. So anything over 600, just close profits. You're trying to do too much. So it's possible, but maybe not follow my exact risk. But if I'm doing one contract, then... But if I'm risking like 900 on a trade, no. You can't be following my trade exactly. You got to go to micros and cut that shit in half. So if I'm doing one contract with a $900 risk on like a big stop loss, then you need to go to micros and go to 5 micros, and that'll be a $450 risk. And then if we're going 1 to 2, you'll risk 450, make 450 at a 1-to-1, and boom, make 900 at a 1 to 2. So you get what I'm saying? It's all about risk. So it's possible. So like 100K, so I don't have to do the quick math, right? So yeah, so about 100K. If you come in with a 100K account with a 3K max daily loss or a max loss in general, yes, you can follow my exact trades and my exact risk management. Because I'm not really crashing out and losing 3K lately. You get what I'm saying? Even on a losing day. Like today's losing day still would have been like 1,200. You get what I'm saying? And then we call it a day, go to the next day, make 1,200, and then boom, we're back at break even. 4 or 5 day streak after that. Now you're past. Capiche? So yeah, if y'all don't have an account, go to Take Profit Trader. Use code BW, as in Bruce Webb, for the 40% off discount, no activation fee, and unlimited daily payouts. Take Profit Trader. Use code BW if you want to pay out. Pretty much. If you use code BW, you're gonna pass your account. If you use code BW, you will get a payout. Let's fucking get it.
I hope so.
Hold on. Never looked at it like this, but Bruce is basically retired at a very young age. Trading is insane. Yeah, I retired in 2017. 2017, literally, like, yes. It's about to be 2026. So we're coming up on 10 fucking years, bro. Since I quit my job, that is. But I've been trading successfully since, same year. So November 2016, shit clicked. Right after I got evicted with the family. My son, who just turned 9 months, My son, who just turned 9 years old, 3 days ago, it's actually my dad's birthday today. So my son's birthday was 3 days ago. He just turned 9 years old, bro. When we got evicted, he was 1 month. Literally on his she was on her 6-week work leave or whatever it's called. After your 6 weeks after giving birth, you can go back to work. The day she went back to work was the day we got evicted. She had to come home. By the time she got there, all our shit was in the front yard. Yeah. So when we went back to my mom's house, bro, this was 2 weeks before Thanksgiving, bro. Like 1.5 weeks before Thanksgiving. It was early November. 2 weeks before Thanksgiving, and guess what? We had family Thanksgiving planned at our house that year. We had to tell everybody we don't live there no more. Canceled. We're at my mom's house. Yep. I went and got a job at Culver's, pressing burgers on the grill. I wanted like a manager position for like $10 an hour. They said, no, my boy, you're not qualified. Here's $7.25. It was like $7.50. Here's $7.50 an hour. Shut the fuck up and press them patties. So I said, okay, bet. First check was like 300 something. 2 week check now. This is a 2 week check. First check was like $350. Second check about $350. That second check, I deposited into my MetaTrader 4 account. Then I started scalping Euro USD. Euro USD, all the little small spread pairs. Euro USD, USD JPY, a little bit of GU, but more so Euro USD. I was scalping that shit with the MACD and the RSI. This is a real life story. This has been on my YouTube for years. I can tell you this story every day because it's fucking real. And then that month, November, it just clicked. I made my little scalping strategy. Shit clicked. By the end of December, at Christmas, I had $7,000 cash in my account after getting evicted less than 30 days ago. And we had a great Christmas, bro. And I spent, a couple thousand on gifts and shit. And I still had $7,000 in my account. That next month, 2017, New Year's, I quit my job. Between January and January 7th, I was up $3,000 trading. On January 10th, I quit my job. January 10th, 2017, I quit my job. I haven't clocked into a job since. I haven't needed to depend on nobody else to make money since. And then 2017 is the year I blew up. Bruce Webb, everything. Got this house at the end of the year, at the end of 2017. So a year later, in November 2017, a year after we got evicted, we got this house. So I stacked my money from January to February, March, April. So in February, January 2017, I end up finishing that month $17,000 profits, just scalping the 1 minute chart. And then February, I made $23,000 in the month of February. That's when I knew, bro, my life is forever changed, bro. Trading is it. I done branched off into some other niches, a little bit of trucking that failed, dog breeding, that shit failed. I I done made some investments type shit, but I always come back to trading. I don't leave trading, but you get what I'm saying. Like, trading is that one. I've never switched niche. I've never promoted really anything heavier than I promote trading ever. And I was in IML when I got evicted. Yeah. So yeah, man, that's the story, bro. For a little quick, if you don't know, that's my story. And then from here, bro, I've been averaging, bro, this was years ago. I've been averaging 250. That year in 2017, I finished $250,000 W-2 straight from PayPal because I was withdrawing all my money to PayPal and a little bit of Coinbase. So $250,000 on my tax documents, and I averaged that same amount for about 7 years. The last 2 years, we've been hitting that by goddamn August. Yeah. So, it's here, bro. It's just on the table. And guess what? I'm only getting better. I'm getting more professional. We're making more money. And consistently. Now I'm on streaks and shit. So, it's just a lot, bro. Y'all literally seeing me grow, bro. I've been live trading since, I think, November last year. I started tracking my progress actually in February. So, the 92% win rate is really from February. I didn't really track it till then. So shit like that, bro. Yeah, that's the story. The OGs that are in here, they know the story. Go post in the Discord. Not trying to get in trouble tomorrow, fam. Yeah, go post that shit in the Discord, y'all. WPNL. Congrats, bro. That's awesome for sure, bro. Yo, do you mind if I ask your advice about a retirement plan? What you mean? Just DM me. Let's talk about it. I don't know what you mean, but just DM me. Pretty much, bro, you gotta have months stacked up, bro. You gotta be straight, bro. You gotta be straight, bro. And then your headset gotta be straight to now that if that's your only source of income trading, was I in Wake Up Now? No. Wake Up Now? No. I don't think I ever joined it. My boy was trying to get me in, but I ain't like that join those way before the trading shit. But then I joined IML. I don't think I ever was in Wake Up Now. Or maybe I was, but I didn't last long, or I didn't make any money. Retirement plan. So pretty much, bro, you know, you gotta have shit stacked up for real. You gotta have money stacked up, and then you gotta have the right mindset to know that this trading is my only source. You get what I'm saying? So you can't let that pressure get to you and blow all your fucking accounts. Continue to blow accounts because you're pressing to make money. You gotta take GTOs only. You pretty much gotta lock in on a trading system, bro. Oh yeah, and that shit rejected off of VWAP. So the bottom of that wig is actually at VWAP, Monte, if you still in here. I ain't even see that. So yeah, that popped off of VWAP. Were you in Wake Up Now? That's dope, bro. Yeah, man, crazy story. I need that blessing so bad, bro. It's coming, bro. You just gotta work. Any crypto? No, I used to get paid in crypto. When that shit went from like 7K up to like 50K or some shit, I was getting paid, but I was also switching that shit over to USD. And then I wasn't reaping the gains of that shit. I was sick too. Bro, I'm trying to get where you are. Retired early. I'm tired of working hard. I'm trying to work smart through live trading. You the real MVP, man. Let's get it, bro. I got you. I got y'all, bro. I promise you. I'm about to turn 18, trying to never work a job. Hey, that's fire, bro. That'll be a fire story too. I knew Bruce before the kid. Yeah, y'all don't know, man. Me and G Money actually went to high school together. We went to high school together. We graduated the same year. Bro, listen, my name is Webb. His last name is Warren. We was right next to each other on the graduation. You get what I'm saying? Like, we're right there at the end of the graduation. Everybody left. We graduating with the W's, WXYZ. We the last ones. Nobody there. We sleep. Bruce Webb. Ah, my baby. My dad. Type shit. Okay, bet. Shit, fire. So, yeah, man. Y'all can do this shit. Nobody clapping for us. Hey, for real. What high school y'all went to in the A? Well, we didn't go to the high. We didn't go to a high school in Atlanta. We went to East Coweta High School. You typed it in before I said it. East Coweta. But yeah, man, we went to EC. You know what I'm saying? We went to EC, bro. You know, of course, you don't know what that is, but. We didn't go to school in Atlanta. Fuck no. And I'm glad, boy. My wife from ATL. No, that's fire. But alright, man, enough of that, man. I'm just showing y'all, bro. This shit's real. This shit's possible, bro. If anybody don't know my story, I just told you. Massive school, 500 kids graduated in our class. Yeah, it was pretty big. It was pretty big, dude. Alright, so, man, let's get it, bro. If you don't have an account, go to takeprofittrader.com. Use code BW Bruce Webb for the discount code. Yeah, bro, let's fucking get it. Let's get rich. And guess what? I didn't get rich off of no prop firm, bro. Y'all know that? I didn't. My money was made off of personal money, bro. Real money in my account, not no prop firm. So, bro, we have it easier. $100 for a 50K account, or even $200 for a 150K account. You can literally make 1,000 to 2,000 whatever per day. And if you break that down into 10 days out of the month of 20 days, bro, we're talking $10,000 to $20,000 per day, bro. I mean per month. $10,000 to $20,000 can literally change. You know what I'm saying? But you can't let that get to your head. Oh, I'm the shit. I'm big balls. I can do whatever. Bang, bang, bang. How much do you recommend in a futures account? If you're talking about personal money, bro, you need about, I mean, I can't just say what you need, but if you have 500, you can trade MNQ, micro gold, and then you can make good $100 a day, make about 10% a day easily, and then compound that shit. But if you're trying to come in and make big money, bro, you're going to need like $3,000, right? Because you need $1,000 of margin per contract to open on GC. Got it? So if you have $3,000, you can open like max 2 contracts. 2 contracts, you make 900. Boom, you just made 1,000 on your $2,000 account. But if you lose that 1,000, now you can only go like 1 contract, or you can go to like micros and do like 10 to 15. It's kind of weird. Micros you can do way more because you need less margin, and you can get more contracts versus the comparison for GC. But that's another story. You go to tradeovate.com, you can create a live account there. And that 5-minute order block is definitely popping up. Definitely popping up off the VWAP. So, alright, man, let's get out of here, bro. What's today? Thursday? Everybody go post your WPLN in the Discord. Let's get it. It's 9 o'clock. Tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern, call it quick 500. Go work, go work, go work. Tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern, same time. Let's fucking go. We back tomorrow. Let's get it.
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walk Keisha over Trish. Walk Keisha over Trish.
Oh, God. All right, man. I'm out of here, bro.
I knew it. I knew it.
Tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern. Let's go.